I did. You were strong and I was not. My illusion, mistakes. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, words gone, there's nothing to say. You've gone so effortlessly. If one, you can go and tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, brought it on to skyline. All we have is gone now. Tell them I was happy. All my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hope would be impossible. Broken trust and broken hearts. I know. Thinking all you need is them. Building faded, living birds, empty promises. Well, I know. And now, once gone, there's nothing to say. And if you're down when embarrassing me, on your own you can go and tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, brought it on the skyline. All we have is gone now. Tell them I was happy. Now my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hope would be impossible. Ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. Tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, run it on the skyline. All we have is gone now. Tell them I was happy. Now my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hope would be impossible. You'll have to tell me right now. Impossible. I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did.
Sarah, you're not from Vietnam, are you?
Yes, I'm not from Vietnam. I'm from Philippines. Xin chào.
Okay. Welcome. Let me tell you something. Usually the song Impossible, I really don't like. I usually hate this song because it has this cheesy Disney feel. But I love your rock and roll approach to it and your own style that you put into the song. It made me like it. So thank you. I really liked it.
Ok, bên này dịch nhá.
Dạ vâng, anh dịch
Dịch
rồi,
đúng
anh
không?
luôn.
Anh Huy anh bảo là bài này anh ý rất là ghét bởi vì hồi xưa khi mỗi lần anh nghe bài này anh cứ nhớ người yêu. Nên là
Tôi có cảm giác là sai sai ở đây rồi đấy.
nhưng mà khi em hát rồi thì anh ý lại cảm thấy ghét người yêu hơn bởi vì ngày xưa người yêu ấy làm anh ấy đau khổ. Đấy. Nguyên văn.
Chắc đây là câu chuyện riêng của anh Hồ Hoài Anh đó.
Dạ vâng, xin mời nhạc sĩ Hồ, anh có đôi lời nhắc.
Okay, as I told you this morning when we practice, I told you that you just feel free when you stay on stage and you just make a connection with the audience. So how you feel about the audience tonight?
I feel them that they like my song.
Yeah. So can you just say something in Vietnamese?
Xin chào canton, tôi yêu.
Okay. Let him tell you something.
Hi there. How are you? Oh my God. Actually, your songs and your performance touching so much. It touched my heart so deeply. Congratulations for that. And let me tell you something. Hot W Plus was the beginning of many celebrity of Vietnam now. So don't give up. Keep hope and keep believing, okay? Congratulations and good luck.
Xin cảm ơn rất nhiều.
Xin cảm ơn giám khảo.